fog advisory in effect from midnight to 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. What? Visibility of 1/4 mile or less in dense fog? Where? Portions of north central and northwest Ohio and northwest Pennsylvania. When? Until 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. Impacts. Low visibility is expected to make driving conditions hazardous. Additional details. Dense fog is expected to develop after midnight tonight and be most widespread around daybreak Saturday. Fog is then expected to dissipate via daytime heating by late morning. If driving, slow down, use your low beam headlights, and leave plenty of distance ahead of you.